Nokia's parent company HMD has 4 new phones for you, but they're trying to keep an awkward balance between keeping it retro and embracing what comes along with the best modern-day handsets. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. They're labeled as feature phones, so you wouldn't expect the usual slew of apps here. They are specifically the Nokia 210 4G, the Nokia 215 4G 2nd edition, the Nokia 235 4G 2nd edition, and the Nokia 200 4G. These seem to be a step up from the similar Nokia-branded phones launched across the last couple of years, but they still offer legacy features from smartphone past era like a 3.5mm headphone jack, micro SD card support, and an FM radio. So far so old Nokia, but there's an interesting feature you'll notice right in the middle of the front of the device, an AI button. Apparently this is powered by an app called Psyche AI, and it lets you do the basic tasks on the phone like placing calls or turning on the flashlight rather than tapping into advanced generative AI models. Details are scarce on how this AI actually works, but as per Nokia, you can use it to set alarms, open up the camera, and add reminders. It can also answer basic questions like simple recipes or providing sample phrases in a foreign language. However, it seems the AI assistant is only free for 180 days, and it's not clear how much it'll cost you after that. Video calls and voice messages are possible through the Express chat platform, so unlike other feature phones, it's pretty advanced. What we don't know yet is how much these handsets will cost or where they're going to be available, but these combination of phone basics plus a little AI hasn't exactly gone down well on Reddit, with users describing the addition of an AI button as dumb, out of touch, and useless for people who are going to be interested in feature phones. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.